So we have the wall fan, and this is everything that comes in here. But for some reason I thought the blades would have been metal. I don't know why, but it's plastic. And you have instructions, your mount, cover for the front. The remote, yes, it does come with a battery. You just have to pull this out to activate it, and then you have the motor itself. And they're all push button here. Okay, and if you're in the US, you have your standard plug. Okay, once you get your bracket up, which goes on the back of here, and be mindful if you're going near an outlet, you might want to have a scanner that can scan the electric wires back there. So once you get that up there, it's just easy just to hang it, basically like a picture frame, and that's it. And now you have your fan. You go ahead and plug it in. Okay, go ahead and turn it on. Whatever speed you want, slow, you can oscillate it. Okay, tilt down, up. And you have a lot of different functions on here. I don't need to get into all of that. And then you have your remote. So let's take that and turn that off. So now it's off, back on. Okay, so you go ahead and pick this one up for your garage, or if it's outside, it's pretty good, it's fairly quiet. Just remember the blades are plastic. All right, okay, that's all I got. Thanks for watching.